how to get a business license in California. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're starting a business in California, whether it's a coffee cart in San Francisco, a digital marketing agency in Los Angeles, or an online store, you likely need one or more business licenses or permits. But between city, county, and state agencies, finding the right licenses can be overwhelming. So that's where Busy steps in. So in this video, I'll show you how Busy can help you determine and obtain all the necessary business licenses in California so you can operate legally and confidently. Click the link in the description to let Busy handle your California business license research and filing business ready, no stress. So when you click on that link, you'll be redirected to the interface of Busy. You're going to click on business formation here at the top, and here you'll be able to see an option of business license permit. So simply click on that and you will be redirected to something like this. So you're going to give the information about your company, entity type, state of formation, company name, designator, the company address, business type, industry, and business purpose. Make sure that the information is correct. And when you order the California business license package from Busy, this is how Busy handles it. On step 1, it identifies required licenses. So Busy will ask you about your business type, address, and industry, then scan state, county, and city databases to pinpoint every required license or permit for your operation. Examples include seller's permit, home occupation permits for home-based businesses, health permits for food or personal care businesses, specialized licenses like contractors, real estate salons. And then you'll receive a clear report detailing from Busy which licenses you need, which agencies to file with, for example, local health departments, forms, fees, and timelines. There is no hassle, just a clear roadmap. And then Busy will file on your behalf. For eligible licenses, especially state-level filings, Busy completes and submits the application for you. Just review, confirm details, and Busy will handle the rest. Busy will notify you once each license is issued. So why does this matter? You can skip juggling multiple websites and platforms. You can avoid mistakes or fines for operating without a proper license. You can focus your time on your business, not on bureaucracy. Plus, Busy sends renewal reminders so you never miss your renewal deadlines. So here's why thousands in California rely on Busy. It has tailored license research for your business in your location, filing support, no legal forms or portals to navigate, transparent, affordable pricing, integrated with other Busy tools, ongoing reminders for renewals and compliance. So if you're ready to get the right business license for your California business, simply click the link in the description to get started with Busy and launch your business with peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment below if you'd like a walkthrough for specific business types like food trucks, home services, or online stores, or whether you want one for a specific county. So I'll see you in the next video.